welcome back to my channel. My name is Stacy and I'm very happy you are here. So in my video I did a 6 looks, 1 palette with the E.L.F palette in collaboration with Jkissa. I'm not sure completely how to pronounce her name. I'm sorry if I butcher it, but it's a very it's a name I've never heard of, but it's beautiful and unique. And so I created 6 looks with this palette, beautiful rainbow palette. If you want to stick around to see that, keep doing so. I hope you subscribe to my channel and you like the video. And I hope that you comment down below, and yeah. So if you want to see the 6 looks, keep on watching. So I just finished completing all of my looks and they all came out beautifully. If I could say like a small review of this palette, there are some shimmers that require to wet your brush and then apply it to make it more into a foiled finish. Some of them, like the shade called Tuski, so cute. I sometimes apply it with my finger to get it in the most pigmented form. There are some matte shades that are a little bit, not as blendable as the others, and I could say it's the ones that are that's really hard to make, and it's these blues. I had a little trouble with, I believe, one of these purples. The yellow one's really smooth, and I would be inserting brush swatches in my arm, and you'll see that somewhere in the clip. But overall, I really enjoyed this palette from the past few days I've been using it. And it's really fun because you could create your palette into these stickers that I came out with. And mine just says what I love. And it says my name, and it says my soda pop, my faith, my family, and my true friends. And I basically created all like a unique palette just for me. And I can't recommend it enough if you really enjoy color, or if you don't have a colorful palette. I would say that you would have a lot of fun mixing in shades, creating different seasonal looks with it. And yeah, I believe there was a discount code that I got this palette in, so it was really $15 instead of $20, but I'm not sure if they still offer that. But yeah, I want to thank you so much for watching. May God bless, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.